In this video, I'll be showing you how to do a full brake bleed on a Dodge Durango. This is located under the hood and behind all four wheels. Let's get started. We're going to open our hood and on the driver's side of the engine bay, locate our brake fluid reservoir and its cap. First, I'm going to put a rag around it. And spray it down using some brake cleaner. This is to ensure that while we're working around the area, nothing falls in the brake fluid reservoir. Move the rag and wipe it down. Now we're going to open our brake fluid reservoir, twist the cap counterclockwise, and lift up and set it aside. Now I'm going to take a handheld siphon and remove as much original brake fluid as I can. Now dispose of this properly, and be careful when handling brake fluid around a vehicle as it could damage paint and other components. Now before bleeding our brakes, I am going to top this off with some .3 brake fluid. Now I'm right below my max line, so I'm going to take my cap and reinstall it. Now let's move on to our brake bleed. We're going to start off at our right rear tire, then proceed to our left front tire, then after that our left rear tire, and finish off at our right front tire. Now we're at our number one location for bleeding our brakes, which is the right rear wheel. I have a helper inside the vehicle ready to pump the brakes up. I also have a bottle with a hose and a 10mm wrench to open the bleeder screw. Going to put my wrench over. My hose as well. Now I'm going to advise them to pump the brakes. Pump. Okay. And now we're going to close. We're going to repeat this about 3 times or until we see no more air bubbles in our line. Okay, can you pump? Now we're going to open again. And close. As you can see, we have no more air bubbles in our line. This will also be the same procedure for the third position. Now we could proceed to our left front wheel. Now that I'm at the left front, I'm going to remove my bleeder screw cap. Set it aside. Put your hose over. Now I'm going to place my 11mm wrench over the bleeder screw. Now I'm going to advise my helper to pump the brakes. Can you pump? Hold it. Gonna crack it open now. And now we close. Can you pump? Hold it. And now one last time. Can you pump? As you can see, we have no more air bubbles in our line. Remove my hose and reinstall the bleeder screw cap. Now we're going to check and top off our brake fluid. After that, we're going to proceed to our left rear wheel and to position number 3. And after that to our right front wheel and repeat the exact same process as we did here. After bleeding our second brake, as you can see, our lip has gone down. So I'm going to go ahead and top it off. Move the cap. Reinstall the cap. Now let's move on to our last 2 brakes. Now after completing our last 2 brakes, as you can see, our level has dropped again. So I'm going to give it one more final top off. And reinstall your cap. And that completes our brake bleed. Go ahead and take the vehicle for a road test and ensure the brake pedal is nice and firm. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.